Okay, move.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we have a video.
Oh,
And this, we're gonna open it right now.
the way. I know it's go shine. Let's go. It looks.
He just got it in the mail.
Oh, great riot.
But we didn't go in the mail and get it. We got it out. The lady gave it to us.
No. Yeah. You like this? I want to get out. You just want to flint off you. You like it? You made good. You have 3 things. Sorry. My penguin. Step on the bottom. Oh my god, that was. Oh, I'm just a DA. I know, we have it.
Wait in the mail for this for a while. For some reason they took our order off. I don't know why. We had to reorder it Saturday. I can't remember the day we ordered it.
It looks awesome. DA on the back. Get the candlestick out. I'm gonna hold the candlestick.
No, it was the figure though.
Oh, looks good candlestick.
No.
Oh my god, Dean Ambrose. We have him. Yeah, we got it. I just want to look at it for a minute. I want to look at the candlestick. Go. Oh. Looks good candlestick. That's a good candlestick. Looks good. Oh, take a jack off.
I'm trying.
Hey, here's a candlestick. You show it. Here, it's right here. Then this. Here's the candlestick. I like it. But oh,
This is the jacket.
it's a DA.
Candlestick.
The candlestick. That's the new figure we have. Yeah, we have a double dean. We have double deans. Oh, I like the dean figure. What's styling for? Like it?
Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a comment, subscribe. Bye.